Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jury's World. Today I am going to give you some sentences. Actually, this is from your CBSE marking scheme. We are following there. Rearrange any four of the following word cluster to make meaningful sentences. As we know, a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense, isn't it? So, here in our CBSE course in class 11 and 10, there are 4 questions arises. They're given 4 questions for you, 1 into 4, 4 marks. Let's see such type of some examples from CBSE 2018. This we can say reordering also, sentence reordering. The first one, very exciting, can be new country traveling to A. So we have to arrange this cluster to make it a meaningful sentence. So what will be the answer? Traveling to a new country can be very exciting. Second one, it a lot of before actually requires the visit preparations. So the visit actually requires a lot of preparation before it. Or we can say it actually requires a lot of preparation before the visit. Question 3, option is light traveling best the best option is traveling light. Or we can say traveling light is the best option. Question 4, also need we the local weather in mind to keep. Answer will be we also need to keep the local weather in mind, or we also need to keep in mind the local weather. Question 5, always enriched we return experience the with. We always return enriched with the experience. Let's see some other examples of sentence reordering. 6, rainwater flooding has harvesting in chances of reducing. This can be harvesting rainwater has in reducing chances of flooding. 7, storm has also better water management in. It also has the better storm water management. 8, plant growth in storing rainwater can help improving. Storing rainwater can help in improving plant growth. 9, is from stored natural and pollutant rainwater free man-made. Stored rainwater is free from natural and man-made pollutants. Next 10, out the street earthquake another on people came fearing. People came out on street fearing another earthquake. 11, one of that of reading known to is greatest the pleasure man. One of the greatest pleasure known to man is that of reading. Are a friend book's best man's. Books are a man's best friend. 13, a rich variety, adventure and wisdom the world of books has of. The world of books has a rich variety of adventures and wisdom. 14, own you book convince can enjoy a at your. You can enjoy a book at your own convenience. Transport. Transport books worlds us to another. Books transport us to another world. Example questions from 2016. A real princess, a prince Mary wanted to, but only once. Once a prince wanted to marry a real princess. Here are some examples for questions for you. I'm giving here, you try yourself and you can write the answers in the comment box. The first one, to find it was princess very difficult, a real. Second one, all over of one, he inserts traveling the world, but no real many one seemed he saw to be. He finding lost hope one, all of. Stormy young his shelter one night, a woman sought place in his. These are some of the reordering words or clustering of words. You have to rearrange this. So try it yourself, and you can give the answers in the comment box also. Hope you have understood this, and it will help you a lot to rearrange sentences or cluster of sentences to make it a meaningful sentences. And as I have already told you, for CBSE marking scheme for class 10 and 11, it carry marks for 1 into 4. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.